Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we will be unboxing something which has been around for a while, so it's nothing new, but hey, just for the sake of unboxing and providing something different for you guys out there, it's the Apple TV 4K 32 gigabytes. Now the reason we've purchased this Apple TV is because my partner, she wants to use the Apple Plus Fitness app, and we tried using it on our old Apple TV, but it wouldn't work, and turns out to be we needed a new Apple TV. So it's annoying, but what can you do?
We hope it works.
Yeah, exactly. The good thing is it will definitely work. The good thing is the Apple Fitness thing looks amazing. We've subscribed to it and we've seen the videos, and it just looks a lot of fun. We've been able to stream few things to the TV, but we really needed this whole thing to be able to stream it directly to the TV through Apple TV. All right, enough of that, and let's unbox it. Cool. Comes in a nice little pack, pretty much like every Apple device. You get what you pay for. Let's just get rid of that. All right, look at that. Always love unboxing Apple products. They're the best. Ta-da! All right, here we go. Here's a beautiful looking Apple TV. It's twice as large as my first Apple TV that I ever purchased about 8 years ago, but it looks nice. And let's remove this. Ta-da. Here we go. So I don't see any other ports on it, or am I missing something? Hang on. Oh, there's another. Oh, look at that. There's a ribbon attached to it. I was like, whatever happened to the ports? Cool. So we have the power connection up here, and the HDMI, and this is for the Ethernet, right? And nothing else. It's got a nice weight to it, and there's an Apple logo underneath it. Now the best part of this new Apple TV that I really like is the remote control. Now the previous remote control, that silver bit, was pretty bad actually, bad design as well. It would wear off eventually, and then you had to buy a new one or just use the app on your phone. Oh wow, this is really good. It's got this nice, I don't know what it's just plastic, but just feels really nice. Yeah, very premium. Very premium. All right, here we go. Let me just turn this around. It's got the Apple logo at the back, and I think it's got the microphone, so you can press on it and call Siri to do stuff. Yep, it's a little thicker than the previous version that I've owned. Okay, what else is in the box? Let's have a look. Thank God they've actually provided a power cable. Yeah, I know. Not like the new iPhone where they were like, you gotta buy your own power brick. It's like, what's up with that? But, you know. All right, nothing spectacular about this, but
At least it's there.
yeah, exactly. Oh, here's something good they've actually provided, and I ain't talking about the Apple stickers, but yeah, here they are. Who the hell ever uses these Apple stickers? But anyways, what can you do? They've provided a USB to Lightning cable, so this should come in handy if you've got an iPhone. All right, and that's about it. There's nothing else in here. Oh, there's an instruction booklet. It tells you what to do. Let's get started, it says. All right, well, I'm gonna set this up, and then we're gonna play a few clips from the fitness app, and then we're gonna wrap up this video. All right, see you in a sec. All right, guys, we just had to quickly update the Apple TV. It took about 10 minutes actually, or less than that, and this is what it looks like. Here's one of the dance exercises that's on the Apple TV. Fitness workout. So yeah, it seems to be quite nice because they've got the main instructor and some other people at the back just doing the things they're supposed to be doing, and it's quite motivating. I won't be using it, but my partner, she's using it, and it seems to be fun. Seems to be a lot of fun. And there's a whole lot of other things there as well, like core strength, rowing, and whatnot. So if you're like a fitness person, you don't want to go to the gym, this is a fraction of the cost. You could be at your home and get entertained. Just plug it in, press play, and just enjoy. And you can actually see your heart rate and the kilojoules that you're currently burning away. That's pretty cool. And you can do all your circles like the ones on the right hand side. So it's definitely something which I would highly recommend, and my partner, she would recommend that as well.
Yeah, looks fun.
Yeah. So all right. Oh, but I must say you gotta have like the Apple Watch, and this is like you need to have Apple Watch Series 3 or above to be able to use this. And when it comes to Apple TV, you need to get the new Apple TV, which is the 4K one, for it to work. All right, guys. So this is part of the menu. So you got HIIT, and you got yoga stuff, and you got core strength, treadmill, and cycling, rowing, dance, mindful cool down. Interesting. So there's a lot of things happening in here. There's a lot of different classes, and what we read is that Apple Fitness, they will keep on updating with new videos, new classes. Let's have a look in the core. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, this is really good. So if you want to get those abs, that's the kind of stuff you got to do every day. And you can literally buy like some dumbbells to work out. So one of the things I want to actually quickly check out is the strength. Not sure if I'm going to be using it or not, but just want to see what's it like. Here we go. You got people doing stuff with the dumbbells. It's pretty much all with the dumbbells, but they have all these exercises, so really you don't really need a lot of fancy gym equipment to work out. Just grab a few things, do the right exercises with music. Look, they actually have like music, hip-hop, R&B, dance, and I think, if I'm not wrong, my partner said we could actually choose our own music if we have Apple subscription.
No, you can download the playlist.
Oh,
Apple subscription.
okay, you can download the playlist. All right, which is good because I'm a metalhead, so I need my metal music if I want to be doing this stuff. But I suppose because this is fun stuff, they're all smiling, all very smiley and smiling away, and yeah. All right, that looks really good. What else we've got here? All trainers. If you go here, okay, those are the trainers' names. Treadmill. So we don't have a treadmill, but I'm just curious to see what's in the HIIT. What is HIIT?
High intensity training.
High intensity training.
Training.
High intensity interval training. Okay, that's what it is. Wow. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, doing a whole lot of stuff. All right, well, look, Apple has done it again. All Apple products are just amazing.
Had to buy a TV just to do it.
I know, that's the only drawback. But hey, at least it's still cheaper than actually a gym subscription. It's fraction of the cost of gym subscription, and you can do this in the comfort of your own home. So pretty cool. I like the concept, and I like the fact that there's 3 people on the screen that you'd be looking at, not just one person.
And they do different levels, like one does it easier and one does it harder and stuff.
Just to keep up with all of our fitness levels. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to give me a thumbs up and like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.